Okay guys, so I told y'all my daughter got me this Lange Duo, and I'm gonna give it a try. I've never used it before, but I'm excited. You can hear the fan. I don't know if I need the fan. I need to read about this. I don't know if that's just if my hair's wet or if I use it no matter what. But let's just see what this thing's gonna do, because I have no idea what to expect with it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, I am impressed. And look, I didn't even put any hairspray or nothing on my hair. But that was pretty cool. It's gonna take a little bit of getting used to, of course, because I'm used to using, I've never used a flat iron. I'm assuming that's what this would be technically. Curling my hair. But yeah, that is doing a pretty good job there. Interesting. Okay, well, I'm loving it. So thank you to my daughter for getting me this, and y'all should go get you one. See ya. Okay, what a day. I am finally leaving work and about to head home and do my exercises. I was supposed to play pickleball tonight, but not everybody was able to play, so I am skipping tonight, and instead I'm going to try to go home and do some of my Apple Fitness Plus and get that done and out of the way and eat some supper, and then I will do my I'll do my Advent calendar and see what we got today, and then what else? That's pretty much it. I don't have a lot going on today. I do have to pack up some things I need to return to Walmart and to Amazon, so I will work on that. And then I think I'm going to need my sunglasses for this ride home. I commute about an hour each way to work every day, so that's fun. I have been doing that for, I guess it'll be 12 years this summer. So I'll put my Shady Rays on. I love these glasses. I got them in Pigeon Forge last year, but anyway, but we'll catch up later when I get home. I got to get on the road and get off the phone here, so see y'all later. Okay, I'm at a stop sign, so I wanted to go ahead and let y'all know that my hair is curlier today than it has been in a long time. My daughter got me a Duo by Lange. It's a it looks like a flat iron, but it also curls your hair and it blows out heat. And y'all, this thing worked really great. I do have some footage I'm going to put in here at some point, so y'all can see how I used it. But I really, really do like it. She's actually like, I want one. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with y'all. I just thought my hair turned out really cute today. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's, you know, been in all day, which my hair never holds a curl. So that thing is a true testament to holding curl in your hair. So anyway, just wanted to share that. Okay, instead of going straight home, I decided I am going to go ahead and go get my nails done. I don't have an appointment at this place that I go to on occasion. So I have one that I go to near my house, but this place is near my work, and I figure, you know what, I'm not going to have a lot of time to go between now and Friday, and Friday, we're going to a birthday dinner, another birthday dinner for me and my friend who share the same birthday month. We're going to a local place where I live, and I'm excited about that because it's awesome. But and then Saturday, we have my husband's work Christmas party. So yeah, I wasn't going to have time to go get my nails done. So I am going to get that done right now if they can get me in. So keep your fingers crossed that they can get me in. I have no idea what color I'm going to do yet. I always do red, so I don't know. We'll see what it is, and I will let you guys know. See y'all. Bye. All right, I'm back. Got my nails done. They were able to work me in. So I went with red, traditional red. Yeah, I don't have any nails anymore. So that's okay. They're short, but they look good. He did a great job. So I'm excited. I got my nails finished. So now I'm going to be ready for all the things going on this weekend. So, all right, guys, I'll check back with you later. All right, I finally made it home from work. I had to stop and get gas. I had a wonderful conversation with my sister-in-law on the way home. I hadn't talked to her forever. So that was great. And I told you I went and got my nails done. So I'm really liking my nails. They look so pretty. And then I am going to go in here and do the advent calendar and see what our next little gift is. Okay, I'm going to do the next item. Let's see what we have here on the advent calendar. Here's where we are. And this is day number... oh, y'all know what? I accidentally skipped... I skipped number 6. That's okay. It's okay. I skipped number 6, but we're going to open it right now. Maybe, if I can figure out how to open the darn thing. Hold on. There it is. I don't know how I missed that yesterday, but I sure did. But that's okay. All right, let's see what this one is. Oh, wonder what this is. Let's see what we can find out. Okay, this is, I have contacts on right now. I usually wear my glasses. I've gotten to where I wear them more often than my contacts. And when I wear my prescription glasses, I see better when I'm up front. So I usually wear my prescription glasses when I need to see further away. But when I have my contacts in, I can't see nothing up front. So I'm having a hard time seeing things. So I'm going to have to hold this back. This is made by, oh my goodness, I can't see that. I'm going to have to go get my readers, y'all. Let's see, Super Lustrous Glimmer Lip Oil is what this is. All right, let me show y'all. Let's see, can y'all see that? Who makes that? Let's see. Do y'all see the brand on it? Let's see. Look, I'm having to look at it through here. I think it's Revlon. It's Revlon. Do y'all see that? Is that Revlon? Let's look on here. Yes. Revlon. Yes. Okay. Very good. So there is some lip oil. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited. And then, so let's see, how many more we got left to go? We still have to do number 9, number 10, number 11, and number 12. And then we move over into the green box. So we'll get to see what's in here. I'm going to kind of sneak peek back here and see if it's, oh, no. I remember, this is beauty, or skin. This is skin related. And the other one says Happy Beauty Days. So that was more makeup related, and this is more skin related. So I'll be excited to get into this one too. So let's see. So trying to think of what I have coming up. So I told y'all we have dinner Friday night with some friends to celebrate our birthdays. This is the couple that went with us on our Alaska trip. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry about that. And so they're wonderful friends, and we're excited to go eat at this local restaurant called Lugo's where we live. And it is they have a lot of great stuff, but ribeye is generally what we get. So that means I'm going to have steak again, but at least it'll be a week by the time we go, or close to it. And then, and Saturday, I told you we're going to the Christmas party through my husband's work. It's more casual this year, and so I've been trying to figure out what I'm going to wear. Kind of thinking about leggings and boots and maybe a cute, I've got like this black and red cardigan or long like cardigan vest type thing. I think will be cute and festive, so I'm thinking about wearing that. And then Sunday, I don't have anything going on, but Sunday is probably going to be the day, unless I can work it in Saturday. If my other strand of lights get in, I'm going to try to get the rest of my Christmas lights on my front porch. And then what else do we have going on? Let's see. Oh, I've been reading that book I told y'all about, the Butcher and oh my gosh, I cannot remember the name of this book. I don't know why. The Butcher and hold on. The Butcher. Let me pull up my Audible on my watch because I have my phone, but I'm talking to you guys on it. So let me pause for just a minute. I just remembered what it is. It's The Butcher and Blackbird. That book is pretty good, guys. It's hard to put down whenever I start it. So yeah, I'm really enjoying it. So thanks again, Tiffany out there. I appreciate you for telling me about that book. And so yeah, I really need to go do my exercises. I didn't get to play pickleball today, so I'm very sad. When I don't get to play pickleball, I'm very sad because I love pickleball. And it's a good form of exercise, but we didn't have enough players tonight, so we had to forego pickleball. But I'm going to try to play tomorrow night. Hopefully, I'll get the opportunity to do that, and then we're scheduled also for Thursday night. So I don't think I'm going to do any of my strength training tonight and just let this kind of be my night that I take a break. And then I'm going to take a shower. No, I don't think I need a shower tonight. I'm pretty good. I usually do if I have pickleball, but I didn't tonight. So I'm just going to get my PJs on and get warm and sit down. And when my husband gets back, he just got back home from being out of town. And so, I think we're going to try to sit down and maybe try to find something to watch on TV if he's not busy, because he's just now getting home, like I said. And, you know, he's got to unpack his suitcase and all the things. So he went on a work trip where they went quail hunting. So, yeah, he loves doing stuff like that. And I like it for him to be able to go. And so that's pretty much all I have going on today. I don't have a lot right now, and I've got to find time to start wrapping my presents. So, and I also had to tell my kids before I post the video from last night where I talked about the presents that I showed you guys. I want to make sure they don't see that video. So I did tell them, I'm going to tell them which one not to watch. So I don't even know if they watch any of them, to be honest with you, but I thought it was worth just mentioning that to them so that they don't catch a glimpse of what they may be getting. So I got to get some wrapping done. But guess what? I work for a school district, and I am so excited because after December 19th, I am off until the 1st of January. So that's exciting. I love this time of year. So starting in October, we have a week at fall break we're off. We have a week at Thanksgiving we're off. And then 2 weeks essentially at Christmas. So that's why I love my job. I love where I work. I've been doing it for almost 11 years, 10 and a half years. And I don't know that I could go anywhere else to work and have a schedule like that. So I love it. I'm not a school teacher. I do work in human resources. I do benefits. And so, but you know, working in the central office, they do allow us that time off. We don't get the summers off. So I'm considered a 12-month employee. So I do work 12 months out of the year. And then we get all those breaks off. And then we get a week off during the 4th of July week. We get a week off at spring break. I'm so fortunate. I love it. I came from working in the corporate world. I actually came from a hospital system and worked in human resources there for many, many years. And yeah, I loved that job too. I did love it there. But man, you know, I've been very fortunate with my kids. They were still young when I started this new job. I call it new job, with this job at the school district. And so it afforded me so much time to be off with them. And that was my main reason for switching, is I wasn't quite ready to quit work and stay home. I was actually kind of looking for a part-time job, and then this one just fell in my lap from a friend of mine that worked in that same district, and she told me about it. And shout out to Lisa. I appreciate you so much. But yeah, this has been a wonderful experience, and I do plan, you know, I have no reason to leave, and so that's probably where I will retire from someday. So anyway, well, guys, I'm going to get off here because my husband's home and we're going to spend some time together tonight. I'm going to get my PJs on and get relaxed and try to get in the bed early tonight too. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great evening and be blessed. See ya.
My ear, jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for